What's going on, AI pros? Michael here, and in this first article, we're going to be talking about DeepSeek's OCR system and how it can now handle much longer documents. So the Chinese AI company DeepSeek has built an OCR system that compresses image-based text documents for language models, aiming to let AI handle much longer context without running into memory limits. So this is basically like PDFs is what it looks like. The main idea is that processing text as an image can use less compute than working with the digital text itself. According to DeepSeek's technical paper, their OCR can compress text by up to a factor of 10 while keeping 97% of the original information. Yeah, so this is basically like, it is PDFs. The OCR's deep parsing mode can convert financial charts into structured data, automatically generating markdown tablets and graphs. And this is the image down below. So Deep Encoder joins Meta's 80 million parameter segment anything model for image segmentation with OpenAI's 300 million CLIP, which links images and text. I'm not going to continue reading this because I'm not 100% sure what that is. But what I said is pretty much true as how it's basically can take, yeah, right here. For training, the researchers used 30 million PDF pages in roughly 100 million languages. Read 33 million pages per day. That is crazy. So here's the summary right here. I am not going to read it, but you can pause the video and take a look for yourself. But now let's go ahead and hop over to Perplexity, where Musk says Grok AI is to replace X algorithms within 6 weeks. So X will eliminate all heuristic, wow, I messed that up, algorithms and transition to a fully AI-driven recommendation system powered by Grok within the next 4 to 6 weeks. Elon Musk announced this on Thursday. The sweeping change represents the platform's most significant algorithm overhaul since Musk acquired it, promising to revolutionize how content is discovered, distributed across the social media platforms. Grok will analyze over 100 million posts and videos each day to match users with content tailored to their individual interest. Unlike traditional algorithms that rely on static rules and manual tuning, the AI system will learn dynamically from user behavior and real-time engagement patterns to deliver personalized recommendations. Definitely, we're in the interest media compared to social media. Users will gain unprecedented control over their feeds through natural language interactions with Grok. You will also be adding the ability for you to adjust your feed temporarily or permanently just by asking Grok. Musk explained, this conversational customization allows users to make requests like show me more tech news or less politics without navigating traditional setting menus. That's cool. I'm really not on our X that much for social media. To be honest, I create social media more than I consume. But when I'm consuming, it's more of kind of like research about what's going on, that kind of stuff. Don't get me wrong, though. I do just doom scroll here and there. So next article is Kohler's new toilet camera provides health insights based on your bathroom breaks. Well, I am not putting that in my toilet, but AI is for everything. I'm definitely going to read this one. Knowing what's coming out of your body can be just as useful as maintaining a healthy lifestyle as being choosy about what goes into it. As part of a new initiative focused on turning the bathroom into a connected data-informed health and wellness hub, Kohler has announced a health tracker called the Dakota you attach to your toilet. It's designed to peer into the bowl using sensors and analyze what it sees using algorithms to provide insights into your hydration, gut health, and it will discreetly notify you when blood is detected which can be indicated of more serious medical issues. So the system, which includes the sensor itself, a magnetic charging pad, and a wall-mounted remote, is available for pre-order $5.99. I'll tell you what, I'm getting the Meta glasses before I spend $5.99 on a toilet thing. And then you have to pay for a membership. People are going to do that, but as a health app, it's available on iOS. I like the idea. The Dakota is designed to be installed on the rim of most toilet bowls using a simple expanding clamping mechanism, although Kohler warns it will not work on darker colored toilets. I wonder You'll find most of the electronics and magnetic batteries that can be removed by the charging instead of having to completely uninstall the decoder. On the inside, you'll find advanced optical sensors that use spectroscopy. I messed that word up. I need to read a dictionary. That is really cool data. But I barely check my health app to see like how well I sleep, so I'm not going to be checking to see what comes out of the toilet. But let's hop over to the next article where the Friend AI pendant creator publicized a friend protest in NYC. If you live in NYC, there's almost no way you've missed the Friend AI pendant subway ad fallout. Whether you've taken pictures of the most inspired graffiti on the ads in the tunnels, tried to avert your eyes from the near constant presence of the device pictured on all the ads inside subway cars, or had a friend text you, "What is this thing?" Although Friend was founded in 2023, the $129 chatbot enabling necklace only began shipping this summer, and the company's subway ad campaign, which set the company back more than $1 million, almost as much as its domain name, debuted last month. Reviews have painted a picture of a device that can make people uncomfortable and doesn't often work well as what it's supposed to do. I don't know too much. Sorry, someone's calling me. I don't know too much about this, and I don't really want to talk too much about politics. So we're going to go over to the next article. But if I lived in NYC, I would definitely talk about that more. Now let's go over to another article, and this is about Bryan Cranston. OpenAI is taking their deepfake concerns seriously. So actors, studio agents, and the Actors Union, SAG, AFTRA, have all expressed their concerns about appearing in Sora 2's AI-generated videos ever since the deepfake machine was released last month. Now a joint statement from actor Bryan Cranston, OpenAI, and the union and others say that after videos of him appeared on Sora, one even showed him taking a selfie with Michael Jackson, the company has strengthened guardrails around its opt-in policy for likeness and voice. The joint statement said that OpenAI has expressed regret for these unintentional generations. It also carried co-signs from talent agencies, United Talent Agencies, other ones. Okay. OpenAI appeared to reaffirm its commitment to stronger protections for those who do not opt in. All artists, performers, and individuals will have the right to determine how and whether they can be simulated. It also said it would expeditiously review complaints about breaches of the policy. So OpenAI launched Sora 2 with an opt-out policy for copyright holders before reversing course following public outcry and videos of Nazi SpongeBob promising to give right holders more granular control over generations of characters. Okay. As they should be talking about that. It makes sense, but there's going to be someone that comes along to just makes their own app with no guardrails at all, which can't be stopped. Hopping over to Anthropic, let's talk about the Claude Code. Wow. And go. Let's hop over. Now jumping over to Anthropic Code on the web. So today they're introducing Claude Code on the web, a new way to delegate coding tasks directly from your browser. Here's a little YouTube video about how to do that. Claude Code on the web is available now in research. So I'm going to let you watch that if you want to. I'm not too into the coding part of it, but yeah, one more article on Claude. Wow, I keep messing it up. This is just an article about life sciences. I just want to look at increasing the rate of scientific progress is a core part of Anthropic public benefit mission. Okay, that is all for this one, AI Pros. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, leave them down below in the comments, but I will see you in the next one.